So let's talk a little bit more about the FloorShark dry toner specifically. What we've developed with this is the world's first anti-slip dry toner printable floor graphic product. It's the first product that I can take and run directly from my machine and apply straight to the floor. So what we see here is the FloorShark for Dry Toner product. As I mentioned, it contains our proprietary shark skin technology. So if you feel that sheet, it already has a texture to it, and it's already designed to go straight to the floor with the certified product. In this video, you can see we simply load it into the loading tray. It's now run into the Xerox press, and here in a minute, it's going to come out and we can go straight to the floor. And that's the beauty of FloorShark Dry Toner. Once it comes out of the machine, it is already safety certified. It has all the slip ratings that I need. I can run it straight onto the floor, and I don't have to worry about any additional processing. The other advantage to this, as it comes out, you can see that this material is perfectly registered every time. What we really wanted to focus on was creating a product that didn't have any of the distortion issues that traditional vinyls would have. If you looked at traditional flooring vinyl, once it came out, if it went through a system like this, it would be distorted, it would shrink. If I go to apply it to my floor, I risk distorting it during the application process. With this one, the polyester-based film is completely stable inside that dry toner environment, but it also allows me to put it down very easily without any damage to my graphic. Once it's down, it's extremely durable. I can walk on it, I can clean it, I can put floor scrubbers on it, and I don't have to worry about that damage. And so in this little 2-minute video, we've now created 2 floor graphics on the fly, straight out of a device, right onto the floor. That's what makes things like FloorShark Dry Toner so powerful and so disruptive for customers that are wanting to get into that market.